So the question is discuss about the polariton spectra and what is LST relation. So we'll go to polariton chapter. It says here that we will use the dielectric function of an ionic crystal to derive the polariton spectra. Later we discuss the properties of polarons, but we first are concerned with electron gas in metals. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट्रिक फंक्शन का ये सब फाइंड आउट वगैरह करेगा. We'll go to fluoretons. Longitudinal optical phonons and transverse optical phonons were discussed in chapter 4, but we differ from treatment of interaction of transverse optical phonons with transverse magnetic waves. So transverse ही waves का बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन किसका बात करेंगे? Not phonons, but EM waves. When the two waves are at resonance, the phonon coupling entire changes the character of propagation, and a forbidden band is established for reason that having nothing to do with periodicity of lattice. ठीक है, क्या लिखा है? When two waves are at resonance, the phonon coupling entirely changes. ठीक है, phonon interaction changes the character of propagation, and the forbidden gap established is not depending on lattice periodicity. By resonance, we mean condition in which frequencies and wave vectors of both waves are approximately equal. The region of crossover of the two dashes curves in figure 11. Crossover यहाँ पे हो रहा है, figure 11 is the resonance region. The two dashed curves are dispersion relation for photons and transverse optical phonons in absence of any coupling between them. In reality, however, there always is coupling implicit in Maxwell equation and expressed by a dielectric function. The quantum of couple phonon-photon transverse wave is called polariton. So phonon-photon एक साथ polariton, yay! Phonon-photon, phonon-photon, polariton. Phonon मतलब mechanical, photon मतलब light. In this section, we see how coupling is responsible for dispersion relations shown as a solid curves in the figure. All takes place with at very low values of wave vector in comparison to with zone boundary, because at crossover omega is equal to ck and is equal to omega, so photon is equal to phonon, so very low values of omega. 10 to the power 3 per second, thus k is equal to 300 per centimeter. At an early warning, although the symbol omega L will necessarily arise in the theory, the effects do not concern longitudinal optical phonons. I repeat, it doesn't concern longitudinal optical phonons. The longitudinal phonons do not couple to transverse phonons in bulk of क्रिस्टल. ठीक है, तो दे ट्रांसवर्स ही शायद कपल होता है फोटोन फोनोन. The coupling of electric field E of photon with the dielectric polarization P of transverse optical phonon is described by electromagnetic wave equation CKE. C square K square E square is equal to omega square E plus 4 pi P. At low wave vectors, TO phonon frequency omega T is independent of K. The polarization is proportional to the displacement of positive ions relative to negative ions, so that the equation of motion of the polarization is like that of an oscillator and may be written as with P is equal to NQU minus omega square P plus omega टी स्क्वायर पी इज इक्वल टू एन क्यू स्क्वायर बाय एम मल्टीप्लाइड बाय ई। ठीक है, क्या है पोलराइजेशन। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्रॉस ओवर में कुछ कुछ हो रहा है, सॉलिड लाइंस में कुछ कुछ हो रहा है। सब क्या है, ये लॉन्गिट्यूडनल ऑप्टिकल का लाइन है, ये ट्रांसवर्स ऑप्टिकल लाइन शायद जो ऊपर ही आ रहा है, ये फोनोन वाला डॉटेड लाइन, ये ट्रांसवर्स ऑप्टिकल। सो ये क्या है, फोटोन का ऐसे सीधा ऊपर की तरफ लाइन, और इधर ये लाइन, ये सब लाइन क्या मतलब है। A plot observed energies of wave vectors in polaritons and the LO for phonons in a plot energies observed, a plot of observed energies and wave vectors of polaritons and of LO phonons। ठीक है, and of LO अलग से, LO phonons in GAP। The theoretical dispersion curves are also shown in solid lines। ठीक है, ये जो solid lines और dispersion curves है, the dispersion curves for uncoupled phonons and photons are shown by shorter dash lines। तो uncoupled phonon and ये photon lines है। ठीक है, ये साथ, तो ये क्या, ये साथ में है, uncoupled क्या मतलब है, आफ्टर ये, where the n are where the n ion pairs of effective charge q is reduced and reduced mass m per unit volume। For simplicity we neglect the electronic contribution to the polarization। So omega square minus c square k square 4 pi omega n q square by m omega square minus omega t square is equal to 0। This gives the polariton dispersion relation similar to that plotted in figure 11 and 12। At k equals 0, there are two roots, omega equal to 0 and omega square is equal to omega t square plus 4 pi n q square by m। For the polariton, here omega t is the transverse optical phonon frequency in the absence of coupling with photons। ठीक है, at omega equal to 0, for photon के लिए होता है, here omega t is the transverse optical phonon frequency in the absence of coupling with photons। The dielectric function obtained from 54 dielectric function obtained from 54 is epsilon is equal to 1 4 pi p by e is equal to 1 plus 4 pi n q square by m by omega square t omega t square by omega minus omega square। If there is an optical electronic contribution to the polarization from the ion cores, this should be included in the frequency range from 0 up to the infrared। We write epsilon omega is epsilon infinity plus 4 pi n q square by m omega square omega t square minus omega square। ठीक है, सो रियल के लाइंस है magnitude of k when k is pure imaginary dotted lines। ठीक है, and omega t is this, omega p is this। So this equation in frequency range from 0 up through the infrared, we write this a dispersion relation, and we set in accordance with the definition E infinity as optical dielectric constant obtained as square of optical refractive index। We set omega equal to 0 to obtain static dielectric function is equal to E infinity 4 pi n q square by m omega square t। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ओमेगास था, ये वाला ओमेगास को ज़ीरो कर दिया है। ठीक है, नीचे में एक ओमेगा है बस। which is combined with 58 to obtain 58. ये वाला 58 to obtain epsilon omega. Epsilon omega is equal to E omega is equal to E epsilon plus E of 0 minus E epsilon of infinity into omega t का whole square by omega t square by omega square. So this is equal to E omega is equal to E infinity into omega L minus omega t minus omega square. ठीक है. Zero of epsilon omega defines the longitudinal optical phonon frequency omega L as the pole of E omega defines omega t. The zeros gives omega E infinity equal E infinity omega L square equal to E 0 omega t square. ठीक है. तो ये क्या, ये वाला लाइन हो गया डायरेक्ट्रिक फंक्शन का ये. ठीक है. प्लॉट ऑफ ई ओमेगा यही है शायद. क्या बोलते हैं, पोलैरिट्रॉन स्पेक्ट्रा. यहाँ पे ई एप्सिलॉन को 2 रखा है, ई इन्फिनिटी को 2 रखा है, एप्सिलॉन 0 को 3 रखा है. दैट कॉन्स्टेंट इज नेगेटिव बिटवीन ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा टी एंड ओमेगा एल इक्वल टू 3/2 अंडर रूट ऑफ इंटू ओमेगा टी. 0 of omega. Incident electromagnetic wave frequency in the shaded region omega t is less than omega is less than omega L. Omega t और omega L क्या है, will not propagate in the medium but will be reflected at the boundary. Waves do not propagate in the frequency region for which E epsilon omega is negative between its poles at omega equal to omega t and it's 0 where omega is equal to omega L. In the figure 13, for negative waves do not propagate because k is imaginary for real omega and exponential of ikx tends to exponential of minus mod kx damped in space. The 0 of epsilon omega by our earlier argument, the longitudinal optical frequency at low k. Just as with plasma frequency omega p, the frequency omega L has two meanings, one as LO frequency at low k and the other as the upper cutoff frequency for mid band propagation electromagnetic wave. The value of omega k is antecedent to both frequencies.